Hey, I'm Taylor Robert, professional off-road motorcycle racer for KTM, Red Bull, and LiftedTrucks.com. I rely on my bike to get me through any obstacle, whether I'm on the ground or in the air. But I rely on my truck to get me to the races and remote locations where most people don't dare to go. That's why I drive this custom-built 4x4 F-150 from LiftedTrucks.com. They're a family-owned company from my hometown, and they've been building and selling high-quality, high-performance trucks for over 20 years. Check them out at LiftedTrucks.com.